Hello everyone, welcome to my Kyoko Kirigiri makeup tutorial. So I felt like I should do this today as I'm recording because when I put that makeup tutorial on my TikTok, I got the impression that it wasn't really helping people. But it got 50 likes, so that's good. Maybe you don't think that's good, but I really like that it did pretty good considering I didn't want to add hashtags. So this is a full in-depth makeup tutorial on how I do my Kyoko Kirigiri makeup. Sorry I'm doing this. I'm just really wondering, was putting that eyeshadow on my eyelid the worst choice? Yes, it was. So what I did differently is that I took a dark purpley glittery eyeshadow, but it ended up being lighter than the rest of my eye makeup. But looking at my TikToks that are in my drafts, I'm posting them today as I'm recording this, it does look a lot better than this. But here's the tutorial and let's jump into it. Off camera, I primed my face, I put on concealer, primed my eyes with concealer, and put on foundation, obviously. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette called Lilac You A Lot. It was $20 on Amazon, so if you're curious and you want to buy this palette, then go right ahead. So first I'm going to put something in my crease, and I'm going to take this and mix it together. It's called, the toned down purple is called Imagine That, and the really lilac color is called Zoned Out. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. It's gonna be my guideline for how I do the rest of the makeup. Oh, sorry, you can't see. Really buff it out in your crease. So next, I'm going to take a clean brush and blend it out. Going back with this brush I used to apply the eyeshadows, I'm going to take these two colors right here where my brush is pointing, and I'm gonna mix them together and put them in my outer corner. And you want to put it slightly in your crease, just slightly. Because these are darker colors, you'll want to really blend them out. Then going back with that second brush and blending it out. You want to do it very gently. Going to do a half cut crease. Take a little bit of concealer on this flat brush. You don't want too much, especially when this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear, up to 24-hour wear. Full coverage concealer. I'm reading the entire bottle. But basically you want to take any concealer if you're doing a half cut crease and take it on a really flat brush by, what does it say? It's from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, perfect. So you want to carefully put it just in your eyelid and put it slightly on top, just slightly on top. Then I'm taking this sand shade, and this is just to basically be used as a powder on the half cut crease, so the eyelid doesn't crease. No pun intended. Oh yes, you can see what I'm doing with my other eye. I noticed that the mirror was blocking it when I was putting on this part of the eyeshadow on my right eye. It's on my left, but it's on your right, so I'm calling it my right eye. With that same Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this gold color and put it in my inner eyelid. And you want to use your finger for this, because this is honestly the best way to apply eyeshadow if you really want it to stand out. And okay, I was gonna use a dark glittery purple eyeshadow when I first put on my Kyoko cosplay for my TikTok, but it wasn't as dark as I hoped it would be. So I'm gonna go back to that Lilac You A Lot eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take the middle color right here and put it in the center of my eyelid. It's nice and glittery and everything I want for a glittery smoky eye. But I can see where the problem is now, because now, even though it's very glittery and very gorgeous, it matches a lot with my outer corner. So I can see why I wasn't supposed to do that. I'm gonna take Filtered and Iffy. These are the two previous eyeshadows that I used in my outer corner. And I'm going to take this on this flat brush and put it in the half cut crease. Doing it again on the other eye. Then taking a brush and blending that out. Because you don't want that harshness on your eye. You want it to be blended out. Am I done already? Am I really done with the eyeshadows? Okay, actually wait, I'm not. I have to do something. I need to put black eyeshadow in my outer corner, so I'll be right back. I forgot to mention that this is the Joa Dual eyeshadow brush. I think I'm saying that wrong. But, okay. On to the black eyeshadow. And this is going to give off the illusion that we have a huge winged eyeliner. So, taking a black eyeshadow from my Beauty Gems eyeshadow palette, I'm making a wing. My brushes are dirty by now, but I have to use something to blend this out. I'm swiping very gently. I'm blending out the edges, but I'm mainly blending out the entire eyeshadow. I'm sorry if you couldn't see. And that's the eye makeup, but we're not done yet, because mascara, eyelash curler, and eyelashes are next. Then I'll finish the rest of the face, which I'm excited for you to see, but it's nothing special. I'm gonna take a liquid eyeliner. It says Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner for Maybelline New York. I think this is in Spanish, so I can't read it. Okay, so I'm gonna make a wing, and I'm starting from the outer corner to make that wing, but not a huge wing. And see what I mean? Now it looks like I really have that huge winged eyeliner. So if you're familiar with these next 3 steps, then say it with me. Eyelash curler, mascara, and eyelashes. Okay, moving on. With the eyebrows, I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo white eyeliner and I'm going to prime them by applying white eyeliner on them. Then I'm going to take a brush and put purple eyeshadow over them so they match my wig. You want to do this very lightly. I'm not pressing too hard, I'm applying it very lightly so my eyebrows are more white. So finally I'm gonna take, well not finally, but this is the final step with my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this lilac eyeshadow tone called Zoned Out. And I'll be lightly pressing, I should move over closer, and I'll be lightly applying that onto my eyebrow. See, there are ways to cosplay without shaving off your beautiful eyebrows. And I'm done. So now I can take this headband off. It's really annoying, to be honest. Just fixing everything else. Oh, I'm done. I'm done with the eye makeup and now I can take off that headband. It's really annoying to wear because when I wear it with the wig on, it barely even tries, for lack of a better word, to pull my wig back or my hair when I'm putting on makeup. So moving on, I need my cheeks and I need to finish my lips, so we're almost done. Excuse how clearly destroyed this blush palette is, but I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm just gonna put that on my top cheeks. Basically, I'm putting it under my eyes because I really like how that looks. A little more. And the final step of this makeup tutorial, finally, for lips, I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the shade Cupcake, but really it's just a pink crayon eyeliner. And I'm going to line my lips with it. Then I'm going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It doesn't say what color it is, but obviously it's a pink lipstick from NYX. And finally, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss from Ulta Beauty. And I'm going to put it on top of my lipstick. And the shade is called Rose Gold. It kind of does look like a rose gold, to be honest, if you really look at it. Because I feel like they just name makeup shades with any random thing that's not really a shade. So it really does look like a rose golden color, so it points for being accurate with colors, makeup industries. Okay. That is how I do my Kyoko Kirigiri makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this. I really hope this helped you. I feel like I should have practiced makeup years ago, because just look at how good I'm getting. Look at that eyeshadow. It's not as good as the first eyeshadow I put on my eyelid, so I learned my mistake. Yeah, it's not as good. So, okay. I learned my lesson with that. I'll use the dark glittery purple eyeshadow on my eyelids next time instead of this. I wasn't expecting it to match perfectly to my outer corner, so lesson learned. So, thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video.